Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Fidelity app. So first step, open your Fidelity app. You should have this homepage. Click on the profile icon on the top right corner, then scroll down a little bit until you find this section, Banks and Cards. Select Linked Accounts and Banks option, then select EFT option and select Myself. Then click on Continue. Next, you will have this page. Just click Continue after reading these instructions. Then you will have two options how to transfer your money. The normal and free one is EFT. It will take between 1 to 3 days to receive your money. The second one is bank wire, which is faster, but there is a chance of additional fees. I will choose EFT. Then select myself, select no, and here I will choose this option, which will take me to login online into my bank account instead of adding my bank information manually. Next, choose your bank account from this list. If you could not find it, just click on the search bar and search for it. Then log in into your online bank and follow the rest of the instruction. And that's it. Now you have your bank connected to your Fidelity account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.